To my fellow chapter members and guests, I encourage you to actively participate, engage in the meaningful discussions, and forge connections that will benefit our community. Good morning, Philippine Dental Association!
Good morning, everyone, again!
And welcome to our 90th founding anniversary, first quarterly scientific seminar with a theme, Pursuing Oral Health Excellence, One Smile at a Time.
Magandang umaga po sa ating mga members and the new members. By the power vested upon me by the Philippine Dental Association, I, Dr. Irma Cadiz, President, 2024-2025, declare this first scientific seminar is now open.
Today, as we celebrate the 90th founding anniversary of the Philippine Dental Association, Quezon Province Chapter, we continue to support our chapters and the board to provide the finest topic in every seminar.
As we wrap up today's enriching first quarter scientific seminar, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being part of this meaningful gathering. Stay safe, keep learning, and keep inspiring. Thank you and good afternoon.
Samahan po ninyo ako sa pagsulong ng PDA. Sa tulong at dedikasyon ninyo, makakamit natin ang ating adhikain para sa minamahal nating samahan.
Congratulations, PDA QPC 90th founding anniversary!
Let us make the most of our opportunity to learn, grow, and celebrate our shared passion for dentistry. Together, we can achieve greater heights and make a lasting impact in our field. Thank you, and let the learnings begin.
Mabuhay ang Quezon Province Chapter. Mabuhay ang Dentistang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang Philippine Dental Association.